Hey there, we have just finished the 5th day of our 5-day memory workshop. We have our students out here who will like to talk about something about this program. Go ahead, Ridhima.
Yeah, so I want to speak about how the course will help me and my friends. I have been having really big problems in school, learning different dates and everything, the districts of places and all. Since I have learned this course is really helping me. Now I can learn any topic really easily, and I can also tell it to my friends. So everyone will study in a group in a really easy way.
Of course, and now I believe you believe the fact that there is nothing called a bad memory and a good memory.
There's nothing like that.
Yeah,
It's just based on how we are learning.
Exactly. Thank you. Yes, ma'am. Please introduce yourself.
So I'm Akshaya and I'm going to 9. So the course basically helped me in grasping the information better and making it last long term. So when we learn stuff, we basically learn it for the exam and forget it the next day. But using the techniques that Sir taught us, we can grasp the information better and keep it in our heads longer.